All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are going to begin in Oswego with Randa Joe Smith celebrating birthday number 7. Happy birthday.
All right, up next we've got Samantha Guy celebrating birthday number 25 in Walnut, pictured there with her brother Ben. With love from Mom and Dad.
And we've got Eric Engelman celebrating birthday number 40 in Weir, with happy birthday wishes coming from Eli, Sylvie, and your wife, Taylor.
All right, and our very own Miss Nancy Evans. Oh, longtime KOAM employee and friend. We love when you come and fill in on the front desk, Nancy. From Columbus, happy birthday.
And we've got Roberta Koger celebrating number 89 in Parsons, coming with love coming from your 7 kids, 17 grandkids, and 23 great grandkids. Happy birthday, Roberta.
All right, and Josh and Jamie Horton are celebrating their 21st anniversary with love from Mom and Dad Burns, and they are in Carthage, Missouri.
And Jerry and Kathy Alsdorf celebrating their 32nd wedding anniversary over in Carthage as well. Very happy anniversary to Jerry and Kathy.
All right, and celebrating their 64th anniversary, Ben and Shirley Beneke in Parsons. Congratulations.
And we've got Jim and Wilma Lawson celebrating their 65th wedding anniversary in Joplin. Great throwback picture there, and a very happy anniversary to the Lawsons.
All right. And our list goes on. We've got Allison Medlin in Columbus. Happy birthday.
And Eileen Bagondo in Weir celebrating a birthday today as well.
All right. Ed Murphy turns 69 years old in Iola, Kansas.
And Cheryl Glass celebrating a birthday over in Joplin.
All right. And Colton Joseph Bunce turning 18 years old with love from Nana and Papa Bunce.
And Rachel Walker celebrating birthday number 44 in Joplin. A very happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And of course, we love celebrating with you. Tanya, how do they do that?
All they have to do is send us an email, and it's an easy email to remember, but don't forget the S on it. birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool features it has, make sure you check out the coolest one of all. It's the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get yourself a special message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to koamnewsnow.com. Sign up for that birthday club today.